Hey guys, welcome back to a new video for today, Tuesday the 30th of November. We are quickly only going to look at BTC and ETH. Just a few hours ago, BTC was breaking out this falling wedge where we talked about earlier. If I zoom in a little bit, this is the daily chart and I go to the 4 hour. You have seen that the last 4 hour wick was quite strong above. Let me draw that right here. And now we're kind of really in this tight range of the ribbon and just underneath the resistance. If I zoom in even more on the hourly, it becomes beautiful clear that we kind of jumped out and then had this big rally up, and now we're kind of dumping down a little bit. The dump has already been more than 4% in just 2 hours, so that's quite a lot. We'll see where this ends up. To be honest, this doesn't show a lot of strength because this is now already the second attempt, and I even redraw the line earlier to like a little bit higher level. So earlier the line was actually a little bit like this, but I redraw it to kind of put it in the favor of BTC, and still we can't hold it. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, this pullback also came with quite some volume, so we'll see how this 4 hour candle will end. We just started, so we still have quite some time, and eventually, of course, most important, the daily. I wouldn't mind if we go down a little bit, 1 or 2 days, and then we're breaking out. That is actually what I'm hoping for. Also because I don't have a position right now, so it would be great if we go down a little bit so I can get a cheaper price. On ETH, we had quite the rally. Yesterday we talked about this bull flag pattern that was kind of appearing right here. We went up and then we broke out and said, well, the price target is actually around the 46, and we hit it. To be honest, I did not expect it. So yeah, congratulations if you made the trade, and if you took some profit. If you haven't, my advice will be take some profit, do it, because like you can see here on the RSI, we're making a little bit overbought levels. This was 78. Then kind of now dipping down a little bit, or taking a breather. I also wouldn't mind if we come down even a little bit more, because I completely missed this move. I told you yesterday on Sunday I was out the entire day, and then we kind of started pumping, and I thought, well, maybe we go down. To be honest, right here I was thinking about making a trade, but then I thought, well, this might just kind of waterfall down like this, but it didn't, and then it kind of bounced off again. So I missed it for the second time. I know, very stupid, but yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for like a decent retracement, because from the bottom to the top we now pumped 20%. So to jump into a long right now, I wouldn't do it. On the 4 hourly, we're also slowly hitting overbought levels. So yeah, just be careful right now what you're doing with any long positions. Crazy enough, ETH looks like it's really the only coin that is really pumping. I couldn't find real fast why that is, but as you can see, the overall market is still kind of weak. We don't see high percentage gains. Just ETH is running. If we're looking at the majors, not huge means Shiba, but yeah, to be honest, this is just a meme coin. I would absolutely not touch it. I know there are a lot of people who love Shiba, but I am not gonna touch this with a 10-foot pole. Absolutely not. So yeah, overall it's kind of weak. If you don't know this website, Crypto Bubbles is kind of nice, because you kind of see which are the big gainers and losers, and you just see a lot of alts actually here, and not really big majors. So it just shows that you have these daily pumps and dumps. Everyone's kind of familiar with them, but a real like traction of the bull market has not appeared yet. So I stay cautious, but I do expect in the next couple of days we are gaining more traction and we will go higher. So yeah, look out for that. If you are now on the sidelines, I would recommend you to just buy and hold just a little bit, dollar cost average in and out. Just try to buy for a little amount every day, or every 2 days, or every week, or every month, whatever is convenient for you, whatever is comfortable. And if you don't have sleepless nights, careful with leverage trading, because we are pumping right now, and we for ETH are almost close at the all-time high. But like I said, I also wouldn't be surprised if we get one more retest down, or another dump all of a sudden for whatever reason. And if you then in with a high leverage, you are going to liquidate yourself. So also be very tight then with the stop loss. And let's see what ETH is going to, let's see what BTC is going to do. I'm staying cautious. If we are dumping down even further in the next couple hours or next day or 2 days, then I will take a long position. This line, resistance line, is and support line is what I draw. I think yesterday or the day before. That has been support here. Then we flipped it, and you saw that we also had a perfect bounce here to retest it and go up. This actually would have been a great moment to get into a long. I didn't. Let me see why. Oh, because I was asleep and I didn't put in a trade. But we might retest it again and then we're going up. Actually, that would be a great scenario, but you don't know. I mean, it's quite volatile right now. You see that the volume is right away coming in quite a lot, also on this hourly candle, and we still have almost half an hour to go. So there's a lot of volume right now in the market, and that could also mean high shake outs or pumps and dumps. So be careful for that. That was it for today. I'm going to promise you to keep it short. I will be back tomorrow with another update. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and please do that. Then you will help out the channel tremendously. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.